long time named Simba became the noble king of Bright Rock. It is the story of courage and friendship. It is the legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家會講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroic